Hello, and thank you for tuning in to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So I was bad. I went on a spree on Stitch Fix Shop Your Looks, and I also ordered something from Nordstrom when I found out it's not coming in my trunk. So let me go through my Stitch Fix items that I ordered first. First is a pair of can jeans for $62. They're the Kiri Skinny Distressed Jean in light blue, and they have a button fly. I don't have any button fly jeans, and when I was looking online, they looked to me more like a straight than a skinny. I think it's somewhere in between the two, and you see that it's cuffed. And it is distressed, you know, at the knees and a teeny bit up here too. The back is not distressed. I don't own a button fly, so I wanted a pair of button flies, but I can tell you right now, these look tiny. I mean, they look really small. They say that they're size 25, and I have a pair of size 25 can, but these look really small. So I'll give them a try, and honestly, I'm trying to avoid buying more skinny jeans. I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna get any, but these gotta fit great for me to keep them, all right? The next thing I got is this cami, all right, or I guess like halter. No, I wouldn't say it's a halter style. I say more of a cami with the scallop detail here on the arms, and it's lace, and it's a Fortune and Ivy, and it's called the Chiya lace scallop halter. They are saying it's a halter blouse, size extra small, and it's all in black. And I thought this was really cute and pretty, and I actually don't have a pretty solid black cami, so that adds to my collection. Next, I have these Liverpool. All right, there's a story that goes behind them. They're jeans in color, and the color is teal green. And these are zero petite, and they're called the Kaylee Skinny Color Jean by Liverpool. Janie from Over 60 with Flair got these in her Stitch Fix, and I just love them in instant sight. So I literally went onto my, Shop Your Looks, shop by categories, looked. They even have a category for Liverpool. They didn't have any. Well, I was persistent over the next couple days, and I found them, so I ordered them. All right, so I'm very excited about these. These look like they would fit, but who knows, maybe I'm wrong. These look like they would fit. These look like, to me, my size. So I'm pretty excited that I got them, and I will try them on. And I might style these two ways. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see how my mood and whatnot, because I think I can do this in a winter look and a spring look. I think these are pretty versatile for year-round, this color. Okay, next up, I got two pairs of shorts. These are Dear John, right? And they were $58. And they are the Lillie short cuffed short in orange. And I got them in a size 0. Hopefully they fit. One thing I do like about them, they're cuffed and the inseam looks really low, but I could unroll it to make the inseam a little bit longer. Maybe I would just do one roll versus two, because the two rolls make it really short. And they're calling this orange, but I would call this like a yellowy orange. It's kind of more yellow than orange. I mean, it does have some orange hue to it, but I would not call it orange, all right? Next up is my last pair of shorts, which are by PISTOLA. And this color looks a little bit different than I saw online. And these were $68, so pretty pricey. And they're a Stitch Fix exclusive. They're the Mara Cargo short in khaki, okay? Now, I already have a pair of shorts this color that I also got from Stitch Fix. I thought they were going to be more of a tan, and they're kind of more of they're khaki. They're more of an olive, or a light olive, or a cross between tan and olive. So I'm going to try these on, see how these fit, but I'm most likely going to return these because of the price and the fact that I already own something like this. And not cheap at $68. So I'll give those a shot. And the inseam, these look pretty small too. That's like another thing, so. All right, next up. So I asked for this shirt in my trunk club, and when I saw I didn't get it, I got mad and I went and ordered it. Okay, so I went over and I ordered it from Nordstrom. It is a $56 shirt, and I had Nordstrom note for $20, and I got it for $36. It's by ASTR the Label, size extra small. I'll have to put it in the comments below exactly what the name of it is. The color of it is Cider. So I love the puff sleeves. Now, one thing I want to note, I'm pretty sure this is 100% polyester. let's see if I can find it. 96 polyester, 4% elastane. And then the lining, and I'll tell you, it's 100% polyester, and I'll point out the lining in a minute. It's hand wash, cold, do not bleach, line dry, do not tumble dry, all right? It's polyester, and it's like that crepey, texturized polyester. So I'm like, I wasn't too thrilled about that. It has a little bit of a ruffle up here, and it has the poof sleeves, which is really what drew me to it, and I really like it. However, I'm not too thrilled with how they made the poofs. So they put like almost like a polyester lining on the inside that makes it quite like, hard to explain, like a piece of plastic, almost like. You hear it? You hear it? It's so, I'll try it on and I'll see how it looks. It better look fantastic on me, and unfortunately I don't have a Nordstrom's by me, and I guess I'll lose my $20 note too. So I'll have to see what I do about this. Again, it was affordable, $36. It looks so cute online, but I'm not so sure and how I'm gonna like how it fits me, and if I'm gonna enjoy these sleeves or not, because they seem really kind of scratchy and uncomfortable. All right, I gotta get back to work, so in a bit I'll be trying these on. Give me a minute. The next day, and I have on the can jeans along with the ASTR the Label top. I think the top is a keeper. It doesn't bother me, the inside sleeves, like I thought it would. I don't even feel them. It does have elastic around here, so if the elastic bothers anyone, it's fine. I can fit a finger in there, no problem, so it's not bothering me. But if you have larger arms, it might bother you. It is cropped, but because I'm a shorty, it doesn't show my stomach, so it works for me. So I am going to keep this top. Again, I got it for Nordstrom. It was marked as $56, and I used a Nordy note, and it's $36. I'm keeping it. It's cute. I don't have quite anything like it. I have one shirt, a blouse in this color, not this style. It's long sleeve with split sleeves that I got a while ago from White House Black Market. And I have a blue shirt that kind of has sleeves like this. But other than that, nothing this color and this style. So this is a keeper. This is a fun top that I can enjoy going out. The jeans, love them. Love them a lot. They are what I call a mid-rise. They come to my belly button. All right, so for me, that's a mid-rise. When they start going high-rise, it's when they start hitting my ribs, and that's when I don't like them. But this, to me, is a mid-rise, and I believe they were advertised as a mid-rise. I'm not so sure, to be honest with you. I'd have to look into it. And I'll give you all, it says color medium sewn, size 25, Can, Los Angeles. They're a button fly. They have distressing at the knees. They have a cuff at the bottom, so I can back up and show you, right? I paired them with a pair of sandals I got from White House Black Market years ago that go perfectly with the top, actually. Typical 5-pocket styling. There's a lot of stretch to them. I like them a lot. However, all right, you're gonna have to help me. I don't own any button fly jeans, all right, but I do have this pair of jeans, all right? They're a similar wash. They got, well, they don't have the holes at the knees. They have holes distressing up here, and they also have the cuff. Now, the funny thing is they describe these as a skinny, and these are described as a straight. I would say that the can are also a straight leg. So you tell me, do I keep these or not? I don't have any button fly jeans, and I kind of wanted a pair, but they're both the same style on the bottom, and both a similar wash. So let me know. I really like them. I think I might be sad if I send them back, so I think I might have to keep them. But let me know if it's just being ridiculous and maybe I should hold out for a different wash or a different silhouette. All right, so yeah, these are the can jeans. Well, crap guys, I got a big dilemma. I like this too. Now I wouldn't pair these together because the cami is kind of pretty with the lace detail, and the shorts are like a cargo style, so it doesn't really quite go. But for ease of showing you this video, I figured I'd just pair the two together. So I'm in a dilemma. So these are the jean shorts, or not the jean shorts, but these are the shorts that I already own, and you can see the color wash is very, very similar. So mine may be a slightly more olive, and these are slightly more tan. You know, I'm sitting there debating. You know, I really like these shorts, but however, I did lose a button on the back pocket, which I've been wearing them without the button. Like, I don't think anybody notices it. But when I lost the button because my rear end sat down. I literally pulled the button out and I made a hole in the short. Now no one again can see that because I wear the pocket patch down. You tell me, is it time to retire these and purchase these, or keep wearing these because nobody notices that there's a hole in it because the pocket is always down? Again, I like these shorts. These are also from Stitch Fix. They're from Dear John, and they're from quite some time ago, probably like 3 years now. So I like the shorts. I don't want to get rid of these shorts, but if you're telling me, Carolyn, it's got a hole in the pocket, not that anyone can see it, but if you're telling me time to let go, I will let go. These shorts, let me go into these shorts a little bit. They might be pulling ever so slightly here, but I am starting to lose some weight because I did put on a few pounds. There is some space here in the leg. It doesn't exactly get glued to my leg. I would say that it's probably about a 4-inch inseam. It comes just to my fingertips. The blouse, I'm wearing a halter, not a halter style, a racerback bra with this. So you can see my bra, but you know, honestly, if I would wear a jacket with this, which most likely I would of some sort, I would still wear the racerback bra with it because it's very little you can see and the jacket would cover it up. It's a very comfortable racerback bra. I got it at Soma. I highly recommend it. Because it works with a lot of halters. You'd be surprised at how many things it does work with. So I'd rather wear this, it's comfortable, than wear a strapless. Halter top, I mean, I like it. There's nothing wrong I can say about it. It's lace, it's black. I have to say it might be just bordering too small across the chest. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage to tell, especially the back, because I can't obviously see my back. These hanger tags. So I'm going to look back at the footage to see, make sure that the back fits okay, and then decide. But you let me know. I think it's cute. I don't have any solid black camis at all. All right, next up, give me a minute. Finally, something I know I think I can send back. So I got on the Dear John shorts. These are mid-rise, again, coming right to my belly button. They're in like a yellowy orange. I paired it with a loft top, a blouse that I had, because it has that same yellowy orange as the shorts. They are, again, I only roll them once, and they're up to basically my fingertips when I roll them once. These do not have a lot of room in the leg. They're very, very stretchy, so they're like a jegging short, and it kind of, I mean, they fit, but they kind of give me that stuffed sausage, I think, look, because it's just that really uber stretchy material. And on top of that, I think it kind of makes me look hippie. All right, so I think I'm going to return these shorts. They're cute. I mean, if I was really in dire need of them, I would keep them. But honestly, I'm not too fond of this like glued to style. It's almost like it's a jegging short versus like a jean short. And I just don't think this is very flattering for my shape. All right, I think I have one item left. I think the Liverpool jeans. Okay, this is my second time filming the jeans. They got horrible sun glare outside and you couldn't see a thing. And then on top of that, the neighbor's dog started barking and you couldn't hear me. So start from fresh. All right, the jeans. These are more of a not quite a mid-rise. I say they're between a low and a mid. They're not quite coming up to my belly button. So I'm a little bit disappointed about that. I literally took the top off that I was wearing with the shorts and then realized, oh, it's the same exact green that matches the pants. So I have a floral top I can wear with this. I have a myriad of cream and white and polka dot and other type of muted prints that I can wear with this. So black, navy also goes well with this. This is a navy top. But I decided to keep it with the floral top because they picked up the green so well. But there's so many things that you can wear with this. I was even holding up my leopard top, and I thought the leopard even kind of, it was like a brown leopard, it kind of even looked cute with it. So these are really cute jeans as far as the color goes, and nothing that I own. My only concern about them is the rise. You know, it's like when I bend over, it can be questionable as to whether or not I show anything. So that's kind of something I need to be conscious about and wear a shirt with. I do like them though. I'm really debating what I do with them and whether I keep them or not because I really like the color. It's very unique. I'm gonna have to again look back at the footage because I was actually seeing not very well, even with the sun glare, because it was just too terrible. I couldn't see a thing. So I don't know what to do about these jeans. You gotta let me know too how you think you like them on me. And I look back at the footage, the other outfits, and I think I'm gonna return everything except maybe the first pair of jeans, but I'm not 100% sure. Give me your thoughts. Let me know what I should do. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed already, why not? It's free. All I do is I share things with you when I get things, and you let me know what to keep and what to return. Sometimes I listen to you, sometimes I don't. If you haven't liked my video, give it a thumbs up, and click that notification bell so you get notified for future videos from me. Stay tuned because I'm going to be getting this trunk club. I think on Sunday I should be getting it. All right, and take care, and until next time.